What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we're here. So let's see how long this lasts. But right now, I'm getting my car washed. Well, I'm about to wash it myself. I ain't getting this shit washed. Yeah, I'm just waiting on this car to finish. Yeah, cause every single shit is fucking full. Every single one. But we'll see how long this takes. I'll get back up with y'all when I'm like in the process of doing it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm about to wash my car right now. Appreciate it. That's what I told him. Shout out to that girl. $30 like free fall, 5 insurance on it. Definitely want to use it. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I pretty much finished the car already. I'm about to wipe it down, so yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm about to start drawing shit off. Fuck. I'm creasing myself with shoes like crazy. Just bought these bitches too. They should get ass for it. I should get these. That shit was terrible. Yeah. I'm not going to the vacuum. I'll be right back. If y'all know the quality difference too, it's because my camera died. And yeah, I'm filming on my phone. Gotta get out of content somehow. Alright, let's go. It's crazy. Let's vacuum right quick. I'm gonna set y'all up right here. I'm gonna start my picture up here. So I can go right there. There we go. Thank you. Ooh, I fucking fucked up my shit. That was darkness on this corner, bitch. Oh, well, I'm about to start driving. They said lights was gonna be good on gas, but I don't know about that. This shit don't last long at all. But we'll fucking see. I'm about to go find a spot to take some pictures, and then I'll catch you back with fuck. I'll catch you with fuck. I'll catch y'all later after I take these pictures because I don't have another camera to show y'all. But yeah, let's go. I don't know where it'll be a good fucking place to take pictures though. I might just fucking turn right. I ain't about to fucking sit waiting and shit. Oh, I'll go back with y'all. Hold on 1 second. Hey, I should have saw this F3. Ooh, this shit was nice as hell. But yeah, I gotta fuck out. I think y'all know too. If you live in Raleigh, you definitely know because you see them on NRP's page and shit. But yeah, let's go. Alright, I think I know where I'm gonna take it to. Oh, this shit actually looks like a good spot. I don't know. We'll see. I might come back here, take it right there. I think I know a place. My mirror's a little clear as fuck, fine. Oh shit, almost dropped y'all. There's hell of traffic. Oh, my fucking chose now to come out. I should have did this fucking earlier in the day. But we'll fucking see. I just got these shoes too. They're the fucking Air Women Dunks, but whatever. I need some. I like these brown shoes. I like them, so I got them. I don't care if they were or not. Now I fucking crazy shit is too. I was fucking pissed. Ooh. But oh well. I might go through the area while I got all these fucking people. Should I? No, I'll wait. I'll be a good civilian. But yeah. Sorry for fucking shaking. Shit shaking. My hands been, ooh. Got a lot of soda and everything. My hands are shaking. The other one's shaking too, goddamn. Shit's fucking terrible. Might do what I got, so I'm probably gonna do that. Cause he's not it. If I get stuck at this light, I'm doing that. I'm about to just turn right and go around. But we'll see. These fucking people hurry the fuck up. It's a bunch of nothing happening. I'll catch y'all after I take my pictures, but yeah. And make sure to go follow me on Instagram at ChrisFrmTheR so y'all can see him. Alright, I found a spot. It's right here, like off of, you know where Buffalo Wings is, y'all where it is. But y'all can see what I'm talking about right here. I fucking messed this shit up by wiping it down. I should just let it dry. But oh well. But here's the car, because I don't think I showed y'all yet. Well, I know I haven't showed y'all. I said that. Yeah, it's a Lexus, a 2019 Lexus ES 350 F Sport. Kind of heads-up display, automatic cold brake, remote start. You know, tell you about that shit. Don't. It's not actual remote start. Once you open it, the shit turns off. Memory seats, illuminated lighting on the floor well, and what else I say? Has CarPlay, everything. Yeah, there you go. It's a new car. I got this with 50,000 miles, I believe. Yeah, 50,000 miles. I might just take these pictures real quick before I get kicked out. So yeah, I'll see y'all after. I forgot to show y'all the spot, but yeah, I finished. So finish taking my picters. But like I said, make sure to follow me on Instagram, ChrisFrmTheR, ChrisFrmTheR on Instagram, so y'all can see the pictures. Then you won't be disappointed. But yeah. I'm on Capitol right now. I was about to say something, but I forgot something as well, so I'm not gonna say it. But look at this dude. Why he look like that? Why stop being me? There's hella traffic hour. I've worked in like an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm about to go home. Yeah, I'll just vlog like probably right now. You know? So yeah, we'll see. Straight through that fucking rail light. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm about to end it off. So I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, hopefully.